Good afternoon, dear colleagues, dear friends. We are once again at the Stribal Technology production facility. A part of the equipment has arrived. Right now we're going to unload it and bring it into the workshop. Guys, well, we have finally and very successfully unloaded the first part of our equipment. As you can see, this is the compressor. The compressor that perfectly fits all our parameters, requirements, specifications, and all our tasks. The compressor is designed to efficiently and effectively pump air into the drying system and then into the receiver, into the accumulator. This air will be passed through a powder mixture, mixed with the powder, and then fed into our turbo generator. What tasks do we have ahead of us today? In the beginning, firstly, we must ensure that our equipment is properly set up and securely and safely connected to the power supply. Then, we should attempt to carefully and methodically pump some air. Additionally, it is essential to connect our turbo generator in its smaller, more compact version and attempt to efficiently and effectively generate electricity. And we will see precisely how much electricity our little turbo generator produces in this particular experiment to measure the amount of energy generated. I think the result is a parasite for all of us. In the very near future, dear friends, we will indeed see all of this. Well, right now, it's time for me to get to work, connect our compressor, and try to generate electricity immediately and efficiently. Thank you all for your attention, colleagues. Goodbye.